Hey, I'm Michael from Distro Mike, and today we're going to be talking about, is CBD safe? For the most part, yes, CBD is safe. It's relatively non-psychoactive, meaning no matter how much CBD you take, you're not going to feel high, you're not going to have an altered headspace or head change. Now, there are different qualities of CBD, meaning you have CBD isolate, you have broad spectrum, you have full spectrum. For the most part, as long as you're purchasing these products from a reputable company, you should be relatively safe and good to go. A few years back, different story. When CBD first came to market, there were a lot of bad actors. There were a lot of people selling super high potency CBD products that actually had no CBD in them. In today's market, it's quite a bit different. If you purchase from any reputable brand or really from any sort of well-known shop or store, the reality is whatever is on the packaging is most likely in the bottle. Meaning if it says 3,000 milligrams of CBD, there is most likely 3,000 milligrams of CBD inside that tincture or inside the gummy, whatever it is you're buying. A few things to look out for when buying CBD. Make sure there's a QR code or a link to some lab tests. You want to look at the lab tests, make sure that what they say is in the vape or the tincture or the gummy is actually in that product. Next thing you want to look out for is a full potency COA or a full panel COA, which will test for potency, heavy metals, residual solvents, pesticides, microbials, sort of the negative things that can be found in sort of hemp or CBD type of products. But for the most part in today's market, anyone who was not producing quality, especially in the CBD space, has sort of left. So now there's really only quality CBD products left. For the most part. I'm sure there's still some BS out there, but overall, the CBD products in the market should be safe, should be good to go. In regards to how much dosing or potency you should be taking, average weight person should be taking between 150 and 300 milligrams a day if you want to get the true benefits of CBD. If you weigh a little bit more or you're really active, maybe take a little bit more. And if you're maybe smaller or you're just starting out taking sort of CBD or hemp or cannabis type products, maybe start with 50 to 100 milligrams a day and work your way up. If you have any other questions about CBD, vape, cannabis, anything, please let us know. We are Distro Mike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more. See you next time.